Hey guys, zpolt here, welcome to my lab, and today we're going to take a look at another custom cable. This is from M3Customs, and M3Customs is a brand from the Philippines. Customizes cables, earphones, and also op amps for your Zshan Z1 or your Jazz R7. So we're going to take a look at it and also give you guys my impressions in this cable. But of course, we review budget-fi to mid-fi all the gear. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. So let's check out the cable. So this is in MMCX configuration. So yeah, right off the bat, this is not the thickest cable that I have seen, but definitely it has its own appeal. So it is in this brown kind of color, and it has sort of a wrapping right here. It's a different kind of build here. Different from the usual things that I review here in this channel. So here in the plug part, it's made of metal, and it has this kind of gold plating right here, and it has also this reinforcement right here, which is nice, and it's also covered here in this kind of braid material. It's sort of like a razor orochi, or yeah, razor kind of cord. And yeah, razors for me, cord there is not a problem for me. So it's nice that you have this kind of protection here. So I'm not sure if you maybe cut this inside, you will find the cables. How does it look like? Because yeah, they have a wrapping right here. But yeah, this is kind of clean looking right here. But yeah, I'm not really a fan of the color here because of that kind of brown color. But fortunately, it's not as bad looking as the KZs, because yeah, the KZs are really brown. This is still like in the dark side, like near black. So yeah, this is not really a big problem for me. You know, if you're wearing these outside, this won't look like, you know, really brown. This will look like kind of black. And here, yeah, and also the cable is pretty solid feeling right here. So as you can see, guys, it has a little bit of memory here. It feels solid here, which is very nice. Here and the fork part, you have this kind of metal fork right here, and also with some reinforcement plastic right here. And here you have yeah, unfortunately it's just plastic, but at least you have this kind of cord holder right here. So this will be easier to, you know, put on your ear and make it more stable. And also here in this part, you have it doesn't have any braid, but if you look at it closely, it looks like it has a braid inside. So I'm pretty sure inside you have, you know, the braiding, but because of this kind of cover, it looks cleaner right here. So yeah, that may be something that you like or don't like. That will be up to you, but it does look cleaner here. I mean, compared to maybe this TRN, you know, you can really see the cable from the outside. So here in the M3Customs, I think he covered this to not have this kind of look. So well, one of the major advantages here is sometimes braiding, like in the TRN 8 core, gets caught up in maybe your sleeves or pants. So here, given this kind of clean design, the wrapped kind of design, you won't have that kind of a problem. So yeah, that will be maybe up to you if you like that or not. So here in the connector part, it doesn't have some memory wire here, which is unfortunate. But here you have a kind of a gold plated thing right here with the color coding, which is kind of nice. And yeah, it doesn't have, again, memory wire here. Overall, yeah, it feels really solid. It's not the thickest cord in the world, but even so, it feels solid because of that kind of wrapping that he chose here. And what I also like here is sometimes maybe the TRN 8 core here, it also always gets tangled like this in my bag. There's always like an octopus kind of setup right here, but here with the braiding, as you can see, it has a little bit of memory even in this cord part. So it will be less tangly if it's in your bag, which is quite nice. So yeah, this is a different kind of appeal, as I would say. It's not the same appeal as maybe you have with the TRN 8 core. We have, you know, in your face cord, 8 core, everything is in your face. There's more of like a clean kind of look. So that will be up to you if you like that or not. Okay, so let's try it out with the Shure 215s and give you guys impressions on how it looks like. Okay, so right off the bat, that takes quite some force to get in. So yeah, I was kind of afraid to do that, but it does, yeah, take some force to get in my Shure 215s here. I need to really press it in. And now it's in. It is a stable kind of fit here, and it does look good here. It feels like a more kind of upscale feeling compared to this Shure that it comes with. The Shure feels like a tool. This feels more like a sort of a more luxurious kind of feel. So let's try to wear it. So yeah, one of my, again, minor gripes here is it doesn't have some memory. So yeah, that's unfortunate, but I can do like a hook here with the Shure with no problem. And it does have a little bit of memory, so yeah, I guess it will still be not as bad as something without a memory wire. So this is how it looks like. So not bad here, but yeah, unfortunately it doesn't have that much memory here at the top part, so it may tangle like that in your ear. If you can see that, it may, it may not be as stable. But again, yeah, that will be up to you if you like that or not. And let's put this in 2.5 balance connector. Okay, let's put this in. So actually, I haven't run the Shure 215s in balanced yet, so this is the first time. But yeah, usually when I run balanced here in the WM1A, the soundstage becomes bigger. The mids are more forward in the mix, but the highs are a bit tapered off. So you don't have that much shimmer in the highs, but I'm gonna see here. I don't have a direct comparison, so I cannot say that much how it really sounds objectively. But yeah, I'm still gonna listen to it. Yeah, so definitely I like balanced here in the 215s more. It does widen the soundstage for me, especially with the WM1A. Alright, so yeah, it is a good build. It feels quite upscale in terms of the build quality. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So yeah, it's a nice pickup. It's a nice cable right here, especially balanced. So it's a nicely done cable here, I would say. It's also a different looking cable. So maybe if you're tired of the usual TRN or the usual KZ cables that you have, this is a good change if you want something in your arsenal that looks different from your friend. It is the appeal of the custom cord. So yeah, this is a nice cable. It is a nice build. And I would say, yeah, pretty good, pretty compelling option if you are looking for a cable. And I believe that it's not that expensive. You need to check with M3Customs if you like yours made. And I believe that you can also customize what connector you want. You want 2.5, you want 3.5, you want 4.4. Yeah, I believe that you can also talk to him about that if you are, have a specific taste. I think even if you want ear hooks here, maybe it's something that you can talk to. I'm not sure, but I'm just assuming because it is a custom cable. I'm assuming that you can also put it if you like. But yeah, this is a nicely built cable. I would recommend it. Again, this is from M3Customs. Give some support if you are in the Philippines to local products. Check out these links down below. And of course, yeah, this is my review of the M3Customs replacement cable and also impressions. I would definitely recommend it. If you learned something, leave a like and of course subscribe for more content like this in the future. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.